Welcome, this is Quasora Daily, one challenge every day. Here's how it works. We've got 10 animals, from medium to hard. Can you guess them all? Let's get started. You have 6 seconds. Good luck. It's a toucan, a colorful bird with a huge, bright beak. Next one. It's a lynx, a wild cat with sharp ears tipped with black tufts. Let's move on. It's an octopus, a super intelligent sea creature with 8 flexible arms. Ready for another one? It's a badger, a tough animal known for its black and white striped face. Next animal, can you guess what it is? Time's up. It's a macaw, a large, brightly colored parrot with a powerful beak. Let's move on. It's an ibex, a mountain goat with huge curved horns that climb steep cliffs. The hardest ones start now. It's a wolverine, a fierce animal known for its strength and aggressive nature. Now it's getting tricky. It's a margay, a small wild cat that can climb down trees headfirst. Ready for the next one? It's a gelada, a unique monkey with a bright red patch on its chest. Get ready. This is the final animal. It's a sun bear, the smallest bear species, known for the golden patch on its chest. How many did you get right? Subscribe for more daily challenges.